Alright, this is One-Eyed Brian coming at you from Arkansas, and I'm in my front yard here, and I was going to show you what the pipe people did. Well, they dug this hole here by my gas meter, my water meter, and as you can see, there's a PVC pipe right there, and then there's a steel pipe right there. And I believe the steel pipe is the water, and that PVC is the gas. So here's what they did to the yard. Just marked it up a little bit. But anyway, it all started this morning with that machine down there. They call it a horizontal auger. Let's go take a look. Kind of windy right now. I'm standing at the intersection of the, the corner there by our house. I was talking to the gentleman today, and they said this thing can drill a half a mile underground sideways. Kind of like putting a snake in your toilet. Horizontal auger. The driver sits right there. Kind of cool, huh? All of his gadgets and stuff. So the tube is very, very flexible. They said that if it hits a boulder under the ground, it can actually go around it. So they pretty much drilled under the ground about 30 inches down. And when they hit the maple tree roots, they just bore right through the roots. And the bit on the drill takes the pipe with it. So that's kind of interesting how it just takes the pipe with it. And here's the pipes. They're steel, they're 3 inches. So however it works, it drills and just moves the pipe along. The pipe slides down that, I don't know what you call it, conveyor belt. Kind of slides down that belt right into the bore, right into the tube, and gets fed right into the ground, and off it goes. And then they follow the bit on top of the ground with a metal reader, and that metal reader can sense where it is. You can see how it actually, it went right under this tree right here, literally under this maple tree in our corner yard here. Went right under it, right through it. And off we go into our yard. It also went under this one, went right under this maple tree. So I asked him, I said, what about the roots? So if we hit a root, we'll just bore right through it. Well, they bored right through the tree, man. So here's their stakes at the corner yard. So onward we go into our yard, and we just follow the marks on the ground as they spray painted where the bit head went. We just came right on through. So they missed the crepe myrtles, they missed the maple trees, no problem. Nice and clean bore. Came right through here. And they said that they're going to connect our gas pipe to this pipe. That gas pipe was put in 1977, so it's old, it's got to go. Time for a new one. So this meter, this is the new gas line. So that'll be a trench dug to the house, which is just big enough for that little pipe. Not that big of a mess. So they continued on under the driveway, under the dirt driveway, right through our pine tree roots. And you can see where they spray painted where the bit head went. It didn't curve too much. It pretty much followed the tree line on the inside of our yard. Right on through. You can see it there, kind of on the inside. Right where this tree fell down in the storm. They came right through here. Hoffman's pen is right in this area. They totally didn't disturb it. It's actually right here. Here's Hoffman's pen right there. Marker. I don't know if you can see it. Hoffman's pen's right there. So they came on the inside, and then they trampled right through here. They brought a truck or something, I don't know, right through here. So they pretty much demolished these bushes that I put up here. Remember the bushes that were under the power line? They just came right through here, demolished that, and right on into our neighbor's yard over there. Oh, they took out that pear tree I planted a couple years ago. I see it's gone. Oh well. Anyway, so looking back at our yard, they pretty much were very close to the pine trees. And so that's done. They went all the way down that road today. So the only thing they have left is to replace the gas line between the house and the meter and connect it to that new pipe. And that's it. So he also said that pipe they put across the street was a 8-inch pipe, and it was a gas line, not a water line. So I was amazed. I was like, wow, man. They got this done quick. Someday when I put a new driveway in, I got to remember there's a gas line coming through here, and it's 30 inches down. So no big deal. And there you have it.
I can turn it a little bit here and there. I can make it go. I can make it turn it sometimes. Sometimes I don't want to go. But
So it's about a 2-inch cable pipe, huh?
yeah, it'll be a 2-inch pipe we'll put in there.
So that horizontal arc is drilling through,
Yep.
about 30 inches down, and he's tracking where the head of the bit is with this gizmo right here, like some kind of a metal detector or something. And right now, this bit is about where he is right there. And it will drill through these roots from these pine trees, and as they'll continue on down the road, evidently it's drilled through those maple tree roots down there. You know, that's pretty bad down there. So they're going to be through here probably in, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Take long.
Yeah, so that's about the end of that.
Negative.
August 23rd, 2018.